In the old days, we used to sail out to sea to worship the goddess Yemaya Oloku. Oloku, who lives in the deepest depths of the ocean. But with the years, we stopped our worship out in the water because every time we would sail to pay our respects or offer our oblations, someone would drown. So we became afraid of risking our lives, and we stopped our devotion out at sea. But now, we live in fear that one day she will send her waves to drown our islands. And when there is a hurricane, we are reminded that she's going to take revenge on us because we've abandoned her for so long. And she must be so lonely out there in the middle of the sea, waiting for someone to remember her. Accept our gift, Yemaya Olokun, and keep away this storm.
Keep away this hurricane, dear God. Thus we say unto thee, the gods who have not created the heavens and the earth, even they shall perish from the earth and from under these heavens. He hath made the earth by his power. He hath established the world by his wisdom and hath stretched the heavens by his discretion. When he uttereth his voice, there is a multitude of waters in the heavens. He maketh lightning with rain, and bringeth forth the winds from his treasures. Amen.
Amen.
Come winds, come! Come winds!
Aparicio! Aparicio! Where the hell is that boy?
I do hope he has enough sense to come home before the winds start blowing too strong. Aparicio!
Well, they are looking for me, but I won't tell them where I am. Come to me, winds! I'm all yours!
Aparicio!
Aparicio!
Do you know that I'm going to stay here? Come to me, winds! I'm all yours!
When he gets home, I'll give him a beating he'll never forget.
You were the one who told him about men going out to fight the winds of hurricanes to gain strength and might.
And they did, but I didn't think he would take it to heart.
So now the boy's out there trying to prove himself.
This is no time to make me feel guilty. Aparicio!
Aparicio!
Go find him. I'll search in this direction and you search on the other side.
From up here, I don't hear a thing. From up here, we will come there. Shots are putting down their silence. From up here, I can see them nailing their doors and their windows shut. They're afraid of the strength of their wings. They're afraid of your wings. They pray that nothing happens to them, but I'm not. I'm not. I go out to search for you. You're great and grand. Come and make me do one of your warriors to lift me in your wings. Come.
Aparicio, get down from that roof. You come down right this minute, or I'll come and get you myself. Come down. I promise I will get you. Can't you see that death is out there coming our way? Don't you realize that a storm is heading this way like a raging bull?
I was gonna come home.
You go straight to the house. You have your father and me looking for you like dogs.
I was gonna come home, I tell you.
Oh, you ought to be with in a bed. Always up in the clouds. Now who knows where your father is? And the hurricane has already started to make landfall. Go straight to the house and go look for your father.
Everything started with a hurricane. My mother hid me inside the refrigerator when the wind started to pick up force. She was afraid I might just take off with the storm. My mother hid inside the wardrobe because she was afraid the strength of the winds would take her away too. The winds were pounding with such force on the front door and the windows, and the rain was coming down so hard on our rooftop that I thought the roof was going to cave in and the whole house was going to be destroyed. But my poor father, my father was the one who didn't hide anywhere. And that's why he is the way he is. Because he couldn't find a hiding place.